Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. Today's video will be about WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is an online marketplace where digital products creators can sell their products and affiliates can promote those products to earn commissions. As a user, you need to log into your account or create an account. So as a user, I found the website easy to navigate and use. The search function allow me to find products based on specific keywords, categories, or niches. So here we have the free sign up button. Click on it. And Warrior Plus. Create an account, username, password, and email address. Sorry, no. So my username, the password, and my email address, and create the account. Something went wrong down there. New username already exists in our system. I always have a backup of usernames. If it doesn't work, we add the next. Okay, now we are in. A message is now being sent to your email address. So verify needed. Active your Warrior Plus account. Simply click on the verification link.
WarriorPlus. You've just successfully.
What is this video down here? Hey, how to verify your email. Simply click on the verification link to complete the activation. Be sure to add mail WarriorPlus.com to your contacts so you have no issues receiving important email. Okay, be right back when the email arrives. So verification required. This is the email and this is the verification link. We have to click on it. Let's close the other windows and now we wait. So your account has been successfully verified and activated. So put your username or the address if you forgot your username and the password you entered while creating the account. And click on login. Now, welcome to Warrior Plus. Thanks for creating your free account. We are glad to have joined us. What's the number one reason you created the account? I want to sell, earn, buy products and services. Yes, thanks for welcoming us. So we have to choose one of those. And how?
Congratulations.
How? The account has not been created yet. How? Okay, I like this website. This make me famous. I want to earn money or as a vendor. Let's enter as a vendor. So I want to sell my own products as a vendor. You can edit your profile here and merchant accounts. Create an offer. I think this is just the help. Yeah, let's go back to the website. Here we have favorites, alerts, purchase history. We have the the Warrior Plus wallets, and we have the account settings. So here, turn images into word search puzzle. What is this? Okay, I want to click on the link. So current balance is $0. So here we have the account settings. As I said, the the website is very simple, and the platform offers a variety of products including software, courses, ebooks, and other digital products, and varying price points. Some products even come with bonuses, which is a nice added incentive. So my account, merchant account, delegate logins. So here we have the security check, we have the profile editing. So you can change your password. Here we have the two-factor authentication and your devices, recent security activities. Those and those are some security tips. So let's go to the market. Want more exposure for your offer. So let's look for something on the market. Let's wait for the website to respond. So one thing I appreciate about Warrior Plus is transparency and accountability it offers. The site displays products rating and reviews, so I can see that other users think before making a purchase. It also provides detailed sales statistics and analytics for sellers and affiliates, allowing them to track their progress and make informed decisions. So there are some titles and vendors. ChatGPT prompt mastery. We have shape word search puzzle generator. How can I become high developer? So that's it. That's all in this website. And hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on other videos.